This Baldor is part of the DBSC series of AC Servo Drives and is used for precision welding in robotics. Servo drives are used in control systems to monitor feedback signals and adjust the electric current to a servo motor. ERD repairs and refurbishes a complete range of OEM industrial electronic equipment from complex robotics to basic boards and will evaluate and quote your unit on the same day. Here you see the Baldor DBSC Servo Drive being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. To find all of ERD Ltd's repair capabilities, go to www.industrialrepairstore.com or give us a call at 336-992-3611. We are here for all of your industrial electronic repair needs.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.